This makes more sense. The path went up and around towards the river, and I can hear the falls. I guess what I just saw was the remainder of the chute. I'm going to guess it's at the end, even though there's like someone made a little path there. I'm going to guess it's at the end. But it's so beautiful. I love these chutes, the way they just kind of like narrow. Much better than the sound of the that factory that's over there on the other side where Irwin Park is. I can really hear them tumbling, can you? It's like a little path there. People anxious to look out and see what they see on the falls. Oh, that looks like a viewing platform right there. Stairs. Oh, connected to those stairs right there. And a guy going by on a bike. Well, you're about to see it, so hang tight. I wonder where that leads to. Maybe more houses? We'll see. I'll take a peek. Maybe it goes down the river some more. Wow. I guess because it's just a downward slope and it's so noisy. Can you imagine going down that in a canoe? Ho ho! That's some white river rafting for sure. Oh sure. Don't enter, it's at your own risk. And I think they mean that way over there, not here on the viewing platform, which is quite extensive. Look at it. We're going to see some nice stuff. Wow. That is intense. Yeah. Wow. that's 100% worth it. Don't you agree? This is goes right down there. Really neat. It's pretty intense. Wow. Could you imagine going down this in a raft? No way, I wouldn't. Not me. No, I don't even think I would have done it when I was younger. Let's have a look carefully on the rocks. Look at how fast that's shooting right down off that rock. That's fast, yo. That's like breaking the speed limit right there. Look, there's a nice bridge to check it out on. Well, you know what? So far, I've only been in Quebec for the first town, and it's just turned out to be pretty cool. Oh, look at this! Right over the edge. Right over the edge. Those are the rapids we saw down there. That's the way I came, way down there. I was looking off the bridge. That's intense, yo. You could totally put a wheel up there and have a natural industry going and no pollutants. Some electricity with the force of this water. And there's that look at this force of nature. Just bubbling right there in that spot like it's boiling. Wow. Thank you, Creator. This is beautiful. I appreciate this so much. I'm going to do another video with no talking so you can just enjoy the river.